guys, welcome back to our channel. मैं हूँ नविका. Shivans इस वीडियो में नहीं है क्योंकि the questions or the games that we're gonna play today उसके लिए वो बहुत ही inexperienced है, तो we thought I'll just play this with my friends.
You didn't know.
I hope कि वो बहुत inexperienced है. So, and I really thought that this is a very fun challenge which I've seen a lot of people do. I wanted to try out with my friends. And this is Archit. You have met him in our previous video. And जो मैं सस्ता सा plug in कर दूँगी इधर. And this is Teeth. He is here for the first time. And so are Aditi and Kinjal. They're all very good friends of mine. And today we're gonna know some spicy stuff about each other. So we're gonna ask them questions that they are very afraid to answer.
And we are very awkward to ask. And then they will ask us questions that we are very afraid to answer and they are awkward to ask.
पता नहीं मेरे को challenge का नाम नहीं पता. We'll figure that out. So let's start.
Boobs or ass?
Depends. बंदी आ रही है
Side जो है तो?
फिर तो
boobs.
Do you guys like it when girls make the first move?
Yeah.
why?
It's hot.
Yeah, actually it's hot. And why not?
Yeah, but obviously why
Okay, so like if a girl never really noticed her and then she's like onto you and then what?
Yeah, so things start off that way, no? Someone is into someone else,
Okay.
and then
they try
Things
to make a
develop.
move, right?
yeah,
So that's a yes.
I'll take that as a yes.
But पता है मेरा एक rule है. Like I usually start conversations through stories, ठीक है, reply on stories. But मैं 2 या 3 बार करूँगी max, and then I wait for the guy to also do it. If the guy never starts the conversation again, no matter how much I'm into him, I'm not gonna wait.
Fair enough.
Then I don't know if guys want to avoid me or they just don't get this point.
मुझे लगता है नाविका का ब्लू टिक देख के आधे लोग कमेंट नहीं करते।
हाँ, नाविका जी नाविका जी
नहीं यार, लगता है तो मेरा भाई बुलाता है. How did you get your sex ed?
Google.
Incognito.
Achha, what would you do if you are like you just have, maybe it's your girlfriend, your sister or your friend, it could be anybody, and she's sleeping right next to you and she wakes up and she has a stain on the bed. It's your bed and it's a blood stain. क्या करोगे तुम?
कुछ नहीं, एक प्लास्टिक या पेपर रख के रख दूंगा and we'll sleep again. She'll clean up herself and then
Okay,
what
so she'll
can we
clean up
do?
herself.
Obviously she will not. She has to.
And no, what would you say to her? Would you freak out a bit? Would you
There's
clean
no
the
point
bed?
freaking
No,
out.
we wouldn't freak out.
Okay,
Yeah.
I would give you a suggestion. It's better if you clean the bed if she's that close to you. I mean,
Clean as in just take off the bed sheet.
हाँ,
and
or
then-
something.
Yeah.
Like don't leave it on her
Ideally,
because
the girl will
उसकी
take
हालत
it.
खराब बहुत वो होगी. So like as a sweet gesture, it should be you. I'm not asking कि पूरा धो उसको बैठ के, but just help her out. ऐसा नहीं आये लेने उसके बाद तू
Same thing, na? I was going to say I'd change the bed sheet. That's it.
हाँ, okay.
वही उतना ही, उससे ज़्यादा expect भी नहीं कर रहे हो. Do you create like cute scenarios with a girl that you have a crush on and it doesn't have anything sexual in it?
Yeah, I'd say yeah.
Even I would say yes.
Really? You think about a girl you have a crush on in a non-sexual way?
Yeah, like
But what do you think? If we have a crush on her, बस सिर्फ ठरक जाते हैं। ऐसा नहीं होगा।
I think sex can be a deal breaker. Like you really love this person, but then like your sex life is like end.
Fuss.
Yeah.
So, like,
yeah.
Yeah. It
Yeah, I
can be
think
a
that's
deal breaker.
important. Like, so like, what's the difference between your guy best friend and your boy best, like your boyfriend? I think for me it's the physical relation. तो अगर वो physical relationship ही नहीं है तो friendship ही ठीक है ना, फिर वो label ही क्यों लगाना boyfriend
Dost.
का? Exactly.
Hey, bro.
तू मेरा भाई जैसा है.
नका जी बोलना.
Okay, so when you go on a date, ठीक है, it could be your first date, it could be your 60th date, doesn't matter. Are you prepared that you are going to pay the full bill or do you want to split?
See, I don't mind paying the whole bill, but I don't mind splitting
Splitting
it
as well, yeah.
No, but what's your
The-
preference? What do you think should be the ideal like rule for you all?
I think if I'm earning, then I'll pay the whole bill.
No,
Yeah.
but it's the first first date. Now you're all meeting for the very
Still.
first.
So, first date.
See, it depends if you've got the balls to ask.
Okay.
Some people think asking is offensive. If you ask, because बंदी का
Yeah,
mentality क्या है?
makes sense, yeah.
You say कि let's split, and then she'll be like,
And then
Yeah.
she's like,
and then like, sorry, I'm busy. Let's do it some other time.
Have you ever been ghosted?
and have you ever ghosted it?
Yeah.
No one, yes.
Ghosted as in you going all crazy with the.
Ghosted as in just disappearing.
Ah, exactly.
Like not talking to that person anymore. You're just
You're talking, and the third day you stop.
Ghosting is ऐसा नहीं कि दोनों तरफ से like उसने मैसेज किया but you ignore her completely.
So you're ghosting her.
मतलब पहले तो इनको आधे वीडियो में डेफिनेशन समझाओ. सुनो. Ghosting is a verb.
यहाँ पर डाल देना ना. Ghosting.
Wikipedia.
नहीं verb dictionary.
अच्छा हाँ.
Yeah, then I'd say no and yes.
Does height matter?
I mean, would you guys be okay if the girl is taller than you?
Personally, probably not.
I would want that.
Teeth, how tall are you?
6'2".
I don't know any girl who's taller than that.
Yes.
Germans.
Oh yeah.
Ciao.
Russian bro.
Would you date a girl, okay, who has a lot of guy friends?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Would you be insecure?
Nope.
No.
Acha, or if you are with your girl and you go out and you see that she's like really well dressed that day, or she's looking good, and you know that guys are gonna stare at her, how do you feel?
I wouldn't care. The girl is looking good. I would appreciate her, but I wouldn't care. Like, भाई तू क्या बन गया? Change कर. वो लोग देखेंगे. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, because you're
That's
Yeah. Thanks everyone.
Do you guys hate on a girl who has a boyfriend?
Every girl has a keeper. It's upon you to score it or not.
Oh.
ये boys की
Bye.
नहीं जाता.
ये goalkeeper वाली लगना.
ऐसा आपका फोटो डाल के नीचे कोड डाल. Do you play hard to get, or do you like it when anybody plays hard to get?
Yeah, man. Challenge is good.
Challenge is good, bro.
मुझे लग रहा है दुनिया के सारे लड़के मेरे को चैलेंज करेंगे.
उसके लिए मेरे comments पढ़ने चाहिए.
हाँ.
Not YouTube,
See, उसके लिए
Instagram.
I am playing hard to get.
Ravika G, you're looking so beautiful. G.
Tell us like a really awkward situation that happened to you on a date or something like that.
इतने इतने awkward तो सोच रहे हो?
कौन सा वाला बताओ? कि इंटरनेट पे इज्जत बची है. फिर भी कमेंट आ जाए. Guy today very hot. Arjun got a huge fan for it the last video के बाद. So many people came to Arjun is so cute.
तीर्थी वाली. Passing the baton.
वीडियो क्या लगता है? वीडियो के लिए हाँ क्यों?
दोस्ती तो है ही नहीं.
Embarrassing situation. Yeah, fighting with the waiter.
उसने किया था, उसने किया था.
मैं क्यों करूँगा? मेरे लिए embarrassing हो गया था क्योंकि escalate हो गया था. और मैं ठीक है. It's okay.
So I was on a date with this girl, and we were having coffee, and everything was good. End तक everything was good. We were just
जोर से.
We were just paying the bill. And so we paid the bill and थोड़ी coffee बची थी तो we were drinking and we were talking and I don't know we were just कुछ joke वो क्या किया होता तो we were laughing and हंसते हंसते I sneezed. And we were like,
Oh shit. मैं बोलती सुनो मैं एक मिनट वॉशरूम जा रही हूँ. और मैं वापस से आती हूँ.
मैं जो निकला वो कैफे से आया है listen I hope you later I'll meet you later. तुरंत कैब सीधा घर.
Oh, बेचारी.
उसके बाद तुमने से बात की थी नहीं?
पता नहीं मैंने जाके उसका अंदाज कर दिया.
अच्छी नहीं है. थोड़ी इज्जत बची थी वो बचा के रख दी. तू क्या मुझे रिजेक्ट करेगी?
Do you think casual relationships can turn into something serious?
Yeah, it can.
And why do you think people nowadays are like our generation especially has such a different standpoint about relationships than the previous generation? Like they had more long lasting.
Why do you think
That
yeah.
true love wali and abhi idhar to it's very common for
Casual.
everybody to just have casual.
Dude,
Why do you
everything
think
is
it's switching?
everything is so open, accessible and fast.
Yeah.
पहले आपको बंदी से मिलने के लिए उससे मिलना पड़ता था, फिर नंबर लेना पड़ता था, फिर बात करो.
Now it's
ये
just
वो.
on
Now
social
you just
media.
follow them. You will
Yeah.
plan the story. Done and dusted.
तो भी हमारा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. देख रहे हो?
What does a casual relationship mean to you?
Not dating. So no dating stuff, no clingy stuff. No, you don't do this, huh? You don't do that, huh?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So तो hookup ही हो गया ना, but it's like fixed, not one night.
So that's like friends with benefits.
Yeah.
No.
Not so like
Yeah.
friends with benefits.
So
वो ही हुआ ना, but एक ही बंदे के साथ like थोड़ा लॉयल्टी दे दो क्या, you do you, I do me, but then we do each other. वही होता है, और क्या होता है casual relation.
See, according to me, in a casual relationship, it's like कि हाँ मतलब obviously you have the physical stuff and all and you can't do it with other person, but more than हाँ you have some expectations, कुछ चीजें होनी चाहिए. But when you are in a serious relationship, you think about growing with each other. You think about these things like the emotionally attachment things. And in casual relationship, I don't think ऐसा कुछ होता है.
So it's the emotional factor.
Yeah, it's the emotional factor.
Exactly.
So it's basically just you don't care where you're gonna end up. It's just for the moment.
You just go with the
Go
flow.
with the flow. Yeah.
Correct.
Basically.
Now these guys are going to ask questions. जैसे हम भी हमारे खुद के सवालों का जवाब खुद ही दे रहे थे.
Right.
But let's turn the tables.
Achha, I'll ask. Is it okay if your boyfriend poops in front of you?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Who
No.
said- who said
Not
yeah?
even fart.
I said yeah.
Aditi said yeah. I actually
Not
don't-
even farts.
Yeah, actually for me.
But that is very natural.
No,
ऐसा
I
निकल
am
गया.
okay with.
Oh, break up.
नहीं वैसा नहीं. So actually farts are kind of like a pet peeve for me. I don't like it. नहीं पसंद if my family also farts. तो मैं सब पे चिल्ला देते हैं मेरे कमरे में मत तो मेरा थोड़ा है वैसा.
Plan करके आना पड़ता है.
Friends ऐसे randomly बाहर चले जाते तो समझ
Group text. Guys, I'm coming. Please don't fart today.
It's not like I've never farted in front of people. हुआ है ऐसा. And if you do by mistake, it's okay. But घर वाला को
जानबूझ के
जानबूझ
कौन
के-
करता है? मेरे को बता
मेरा
दे.
भाई करता
गाड़ी का
है.
door खोलना जल्दी.
अच्छा, when was the last time you cried? And do you cry often?
Often no. Movie देखते टाइम हाँ.
Yes, अगर तुम are you comfortable
I
crying in
think
front of
no.
someone else?
Alone.
अब
Not
तो
even
रुला
alone.
अब तो रुला के होगी देखो
Not
मैं.
even alone. For me, it's a weakness.
अब तो रुला के होगी.
लाइफ में कभी ना कभी तो रोना पड़ता है.
No.
अबे
भाई वो थोड़ा. मैं किसी के I just don't prefer crying in front of someone else.
But
Me
alone.
neither ऐसे तो.
I've never seen either of you cry, and all of you have seen me cry.
Oh my god.
No, do like all पूरा 9th standard देखा.
पूरा.
वेंटिलेटर पे चढ़ने की हालत हो गई. Dude, she went crazy. और हम लोग कैसा स्कूल में
पूरी
बैठे थे.
लाल हो जाती है.
इसको तो देखा होगा बचपन में बहुत बार.
ऑक्सीजन टैंक चाहिए इसको. और हंसते टाइम ही हंसते हंसते गाइस
नहीं आवाज भी निकलता.
एक साथ में पूरा एक्सेल मतलब भूल जाती है अंदर ही लेने. Have you guys ever peed in a pool?
Yeah, बचपन में
Yeah,
definitely.
obviously.
And do you guys, creep out when someone tells you like, yeah, I
अभी
peed in the
अभी
pool.
अगर मुझे कोई बोलता है तो आई
You're right, लोनावला में तो पूल सो गंदा है यार, नहीं जाना है वगैरह वगैरह. And then वो पूल में आ गए ऑलरेडी एंड हम लोग टाइम पास वगैरह कर रहे थे. एंड उसके बाद she was like कि मेरे को अभी भी गंदा लग रहा है, थोड़ा गरम गरम लग रहा है पानी. मैंने हाँ लगेगा रुक तो.
that pool was dirty थोड़ा, but pool के आजू बाजू बहुत गंदा था. And I was like कि ये लोग बार बार बाहर जा रहे हैं तो गंदा पानी का पैर अंदर आ रहा है. There was a little, like हाँ uncomfortable. ऊपर से रहा है तो सोचो कि यार.
Do you always expect the guy to make the first move?
No.
No.
Would you make the first move?
I have always made the
Even
first
I
move.
have, so
Nobody
many
has ever asked me out. Ever. हाँ, nobody has ever asked me out.
No.
Like ऐसे नंबर मांगा है लोगों ने या फिर like in bars they tried to pick me up but उनको मैं भाव नहीं देती. But ऐसे proper ask out.
बेसिकली वो पहुंचने जाए जब भी when they ask her out उसके पहले काम देती है.
नहीं, like in bars I don't let boys pick me up क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो I'm not gonna get the kind of relation I want in a bar ना.
मैं तो मेरे रिलेशन में फर्स्ट किया है वो.
Was your first kiss in life a memorable moment or an awkward moment?
Awkward.
It was memorable. but I
It was
wish-
awkward and that why it was memorable.
Optimistic दोस्त है मेरे बहुत.
Wow.
Memorable.
क्या डिप्लोमेसी है.
Because the guy was hot and like he knew what he was doing and all of that. But then I
Awkward
wish
moves.
it was with someone that I actually liked or something like that. Yeah.
For me, it was pretty romantic in the lead.
Would you make out on the first date?
Yeah, depends.
On?
Depends on a lot of factors.
Yeah, the guy,
Like,
the
how comfortable,
situation.
like, is the guy making the first move or am I, or like, you know, how is the guy going about it? That matters.
I have clicked instantly with people, and I
You
thought
will
that
click all the time, bro.
this will go like the first date was supposed to be like for a very short time, and it ended up being like the whole day because we were enjoying each other's company. And I thought that it'll lead somewhere, but it just didn't. But I don't know about making out.
What do you guys do to like, you know, make a girl know that you guys are into her?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
think see
I remember
if
when we chat.
it's like she already knows you and she's your friend and she sends a photo of her wearing a good dress and she sends like how am I looking and what do you think about this? Is it good? So if I want to flirt then I'll like yeah I think this is perfect for a first date.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
flirting.
okay, yeah.
पहले सुन मैं अभी दूसरे लड़के के साथ जा रही हूँ इसका मतलब क्या है मेरे में बात आते
Okay, do you find it attractive if a guy says, I have a lot of options?
No.
Oh God,
It's like you're treating us as an option as well.
Obviously.
No, like, because some people try hard after that. Some people.
No, I
Nah.
wouldn't. It's like if there are options, then to जाके options.
हाँ,
Don't treat me
वही.
like an option.
No,
Even
No,
though
no,
I-
not. He won't go ahead and say it right away, but you'll know that he has options. So would you work more towards getting to him, or you'll just be like, okay,
I
whatever.
in fact wanted to ask this question to y'all also that sometimes when I want to hint a guy or I want to see whether he likes me or not, okay? So I try and make him feel jealous. And I just see how he reacts to it.
Yeah.
If he reacts like a friend, then he's definitely not into me. And if he clearly gets possessive, then I know that he's into me. So is that a good way to go about it? Like very subtle jealousy. ऐसा नहीं है ये बेचारे दो ही दे अरे भाई कट गया 4 महीना वो टॉकिंग स्टेज तक कट गया
कट गया, बाइक कट गया.
अगर मीट पढ़ने वाला
Yeah, I don't mind sudden jealousy because it's playful.
Yeah.
But उसके बाद थोड़ा ज़्यादा like I went to meet this guy in this shady area. you
And
know.
थोड़ा थोड़ा it can make you feel special.
Yeah, because then you know कि हाँ अगर वो ऐसा थोड़ा cheesy reply देते हैं ना, then you know कि हाँ चल he's into me. And then he's like, oh great.
Do you guys do that to make a girl jealous? Like post stories with another girl or like talk about it or something?
No, I just talk about it. Talk about someone more than 2 times, that name sticks.
Correct.
How do you think is the proper way to approach a girl?
Approach on
It
text or
depends.
like how? Like what is the situation?
Both.
वो तो बंदी बंदी पे डिपेंड करता है फॉर मी आई थिंक इट इज अगर वी मेट ऑनलाइन तो धीरे धीरे बात करना शुरू करो like to know each other
initiate
first.
conversation,
हाँ.
ask questions.
What about in person though?
In person, maybe like okay, for example, if you're in a party or something like that, then maybe just like talk to us and then ask her for the dance and all
Yeah,
of that.
get to know each
See,
other.
if you are like just ऐसे then be playful, be friendly, you can mock me. That's fun at times.
Yeah.
And then if we are at a party, then you could like maybe hold my hand,
Yeah, be a
keep your
little
hand
touchy
on my
and you
yeah.
automatically know if the girl is into you.
Into
If she's
you.
Yeah.
reciprocating, then
Yeah, that's
obviously
like
she is. But if thoda
But then that can be very tricky, huh? Don't do the touchy wala part until you are at least a little sure that she's into you. Otherwise,
yeah.
you'll become a creep.
Okay, what is touchy to you?
This हाथ रखा ना ऐसे पूरा shoulder पे. It depends. अभी तू रखेगा तो it will be a different thing for me. But if I'm guy I'm talking to ऐसे हाथ रखा तो it will be a different thing for me. Then holding my hand.
no,
is
touchy
different.
as in like you start with holding hands.
हाँ.
Then you like maybe slide your arm
हाँ, or
across
you hold
her or
them
whatever,
ऐसा
yeah.
कुछ भी यार.
That's slow.
हाँ, ऐसा सीधा
Exactly.
ass
That's
में.
whatever I got it.
ऐसा record हो रहा है.
But guys, तुम लोग में naturally होता है तो it's okay. तुम लोग को पता ही होता है कि कैसे लड़कियों को हम सब किसी लड़की को नहीं पसंद है तुम लोग तो नहीं करोगे डायरेक्टली तो नहीं कूदने वाले हो ना.
Like we expect एटलीस्ट तुम इतने तो हो ही
हाँ,
सेंसिबल
right.
एंड आई एम फ्रेंड्स विद योर
तो
अच्छे ही होगा मतलब
हो गए?
अच्छे ही लोग हो ना तुम
Why do women go to the bathroom together?
हाँ
Oh, actually, I
So
know this.
actually, there are
Yeah.
times when, for example, if I know I'm on my periods and I'm wearing a dress, so I take a friend along to see if there's a stain at the
okay
back.
then there are
Or
things
something
sometimes
like
we want someone there just to hold our stuff
Yeah.
ठीक है क्योंकि बहुत से वॉशरूम्स में नहीं होता है
नहीं
रखने का तो
हाँ,
तू
bro,
मेरा
मैंने-
पर्स मेरा फोन पकड़ मैं आती हूँ।
Yeah, I've
बस
seen this,
हमारे
you know.
इतने बड़े pockets
Guys
नहीं
have
होते।
like 4 pockets,
हाँ
but they've got a wallet, a key, and
A phone and we have no pockets
And-
we have so much
हाँ भाई तो suitcase लेके आते हो
हमारे पास बैग भी होता है देन टू हम लोगों को चाहिए होल्ड करने के लिए
हाँ, there are good lightings in washrooms so
Yeah.
good for selfies
Photos.
it's also for
Photos.
safety at times
Yeah,
it
yeah.
depends ना कि तुम कहाँ
हाँ,
हो तो it's
वो,
prefer कि
yeah.
अकेले जाने से अच्छा 2-3 जन चलो।
नाविका के इतने परफेक्ट आंसर्स हैं पता है उसमें आधा मार्क भी नहीं काट सकता
Topper
ये मत डालना.
मैं तो डाल
Would you ever go for a guy who's dating?
oh god no
No, like if you
See, अगर वो उस बंदी को छोड़ के मेरे पास आया है तो वो मुझे छोड़ के भी किसी के पास जा सकता है
No.
yes
Not
Definitely.
necessarily, but
See, if a guy is casually dating someone and if he's texting you and talking to you and now he's really into you, so why can't you?
also like it depends on what if their relationship is not going well or not.
हाँ so you break up with her and then we'll start why are you still with her you still hung up you can't decide so that can happen with us also na then he's not decisive then that's it are you okay with dating someone who does not like your closest friends
your friends are doing, dude, it gets problematic after a point.
and what if your
I wouldn't be in a serious relationship with her. I would be in a casual relationship with her, but not a serious one.
if your friends don't like her
Your friends don't like her,
हाँ
bro. There should be a valid reason for you not to like
हाँ
her.
है है there is a valid
No, it depends on me. If I think that is a problem for me,
Hmm.
then I won't go for it. If my friends don't like her but I do, I'll obviously meet her, man.
सीधा बैठ गया आउटरो के लिए so guys this was it we tried something very different on our channel for the first time and I hope you liked it if you're new here then check out our other videos as well उसमें usually मेरा भाई होता है जो आज नहीं था so there is less craziness but yeah do check them out and you can follow me on Instagram my handle is navika_kotia like share subscribe and comment below and very big thank you to all my friends for coming here thank you Aditi thank you Teet thanks Kinjal thanks Archit and I hope you all keep coming and we can make more fun videos together thank you all for watching bye.